Impact value test. In highway construction, the aggregate forming the pavement must withstand the rhythmic pounding of heavy traffic without shattering. Today, our team is at MIT AOE lab to perform the aggregate impact value test. Over the next 5 minutes, we will take you through the entire process, from raw material collection to final conclusion. The process begins in the field with the collection of raw aggregates. To ensure our test is standardized, we move to sieving area. We aren't just using stones, we specifically need the fraction that passes through 12.5 mm sieve but retains on 10 mm sieve. Then, the cylindrical mold is tiered to 0 so that we can get the exact weight of the sample. We then fill our cylindrical measure into 3 distinct layers, giving each layer 25 gentle shocks with a tamping rod to ensure dense, uniform pack.
Point.
Finally, we move to our digital scale to record the weight of the prepared sample as W1. This is our baseline initial weight before the impact begins. This is the impact test apparatus with the labels of the components given in the video. With our sample ready, we move to the impact testing machine. The setup is critical. The sample is transferred from the measure into the steel cup and locked firmly onto the base of the machine to prevent any shifting. The hammer weighing between 315 to 14 kilograms is raised to a standard height of 3.80 mm. Now, the sample is subjected to 15 blows, delivered with a gap of at least 1 second between each drop. The sound of every drop you hear is a simulation of the intense localized stress on a load surface fields when a heavy vehicle hits a bump or pothole. By the final blow, we can visually see the internal structure of the aggregate begin to degrade. Once the machine stress is completed, we can carefully remove the crushed fraction from the steel cup. To quantify the damage, we perform one final sieving operation using 2.36 mm sieve. The goal here is to separate fines, dust and small fragments that were broken off during the impact. The material that passes through the mesh is carefully collected and weighted on the digital scale. We record it as W2. This represents the total mass of the material that failed to maintain the integrity under the respected shock of the hammer. In results, our testing today yielded an impact value of 3.85. In conclusion, we can conclude that this aggregate is suitable for heavy-duty bituminous concrete. Testing the toughness of a material today ensures the safety and longevity of the roads. Thanks for watching.